Welcome back guys to my channel, and this is Shanix Vlogs. Meron naman tayong i-unbox na kit from the Ban model. This is the Master Grade Unicorn Banshee Norn Final Battle version. So, let's go and unbox natin. Walang anything print sa box. Alright, ito lang ang nakalagay, warning lang. So, let's open it. Quick unboxing lang natin, guys. Okay, nabili ko to. Okay, Hobby Wang through Shopee. Okay. Ito yung content ng box. First, instruction manual. Medyo makapal siya, may kakapalan. Nothing fancy, just the number 6643-1100. Ayan, may yung mga parts na naka-X, yun yung mga hindi natin gagamitin. Ayan. So, na-check ko na yan, kompleto naman. Instruction manual, so far and so on. Okay. So, ilan nga bang bag ng plastic ang nasa loob nito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags of plastic of runners. So, punta tayo sa mga runners. Ito yung isa. Beam Saber. Parang clear na to. Parang di na pink to. Itong kulay na to. Parang di na siya pink. Tapos, take note, this kit has no polycaps. Runner M. Mga thrusters, waist. Ano pa bang part to? Cockpit. Yan. Ito, Psycho Frame. Bakit siya naging final battle version? Dahil kulay green ang Psycho Frame at hindi yellow. Runner B. So, same lang. Ay, hindi siya same. Actually, A tong isa. Runner A. Wala akong UV light para mapakita ko sa inyo. And Runner B. More on cockpit, side skirt, shield. This one is for Psycho Frame sa arms and legs. This one, chest part, head, Runner BA1. Another, I think Psycho Frame din. This one, Runner BF1. Runner I, parts for the shield and chest, torso. Runner WE1, parts for the shield. Runner O, parts for the Beam Magnum cartridge. Runner F, I think this is ×2. Parts for the leg armor. Maganda yung plastic quality ni Daban. Next, Runner N. This is the parts of Beam Magnum. Alright. Next part. Wings yata ito sa likod. Runner B. So, BE2. Next. Runner BE1. Parts for the wings also. Ito sa Beam Magnum to. Ito rin, parang rocket launcher. Ayan. Pilot figure. Ayan, para makita nyo. Okay ba yung hulma? Looks good to me. Backpack. Runner P. Yan ang kulay niya. Para siyang brown na brownish, dark brown. Kulay chocolate. Next runner is runner. What runner is this? H. Runner H. Waist part and hip. Side skirts. Runner L. Parts for the legs and foot. Runner WE4 for the shield, I think. Shield W ano to? Runner. This is runner WE3. Shield also. Ito rin. WD. Runner WD for the shield, I think. Konti lang yung parts niya, guys. Medyo madami rin. WE. No. It's runner E. Parts for the arms. Eden times 2. Arms. Cycle frame. Parts for the legs. Runner. What runner is this? BDI? BDI ba? BDI? BDI. Marami-rami siyang parts, guys. Shield ulit. Runner D. Runner D. This one. Runner G. Parts for the legs and tama, legs nga. And foot. And the beam saber. Runner C. Parts for the side skirts, the head. This one is extra lang to, guys. Kung gusto nyo, ayaw nyo ng yellow, pwede nyo gamitin to. Ayan. May mga parts, take note, may mga parts na hindi gagamitin. Ito, runner WE2. Hindi ko alam kung saan part to. Ito yung V-fin niya na, ayan, gold, gawa sa gold. Gold or yellow? Runner BB. Runner EJ. This is for the hands and arms. Parang light gray ang kulay niya. Ang dami niyang color variation. This is runner K, the last runner. Alright, the hip, the legs. So yun lang, guys. There you have it. The Master Grade Unicorn Banshee Norn Final Battle Version. So eto, ganyan siya karami. Ganyan karami yung runners niya. So there you have it, guys. Just wait for my review in my next video. Thanks for watching. This is Shanix Vlogs. Thank you for the thank you sa mga bagong subscribers ko. Salamat, nag-subscribe kayo, nagkaroon kayo ng interest dito sa aking channel. Comment lang kayo, guys. I-correct nyo ako sa aking mga mali na sinasabi, okay? So yun, thank you for watching, guys. This is Shanix Vlogs. See you on my next episode.